Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make crab rangoons. These are tiny packets of crab meat filled in it. They're really yummy. Everyone loves it and you can have it as a snack or as an appetizer for your party. So I'll show you how to make them. So easy to make with just a few ingredients. You have a fun snack ready. Come on. I have taken finely chopped green onions, cream cheese, crab meat and wonton wrappers. This is a cup of plain cream cheese which I am going to whisk until very light and fluffy. You can use an electric hand blender if you like. It may take a few minutes but the end result is amazing. This is perfect. Originally this recipe calls for crab meat, but imitation crab meat works great too. Mix in the finely chopped green onions along with the salt and pepper. This mixture is so light and fluffy that the cream cheese has practically doubled. This has incorporated well. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Please keep it coming. Thank you. We are going to make a thick paste of the all-purpose flour and water for binding. It may take about half to 3/4 cup of water to make a thick paste. Here I have wonton wrappers. These are smaller compared to the spring roll wrappers. Now let's start filling these. Place a small amount of mixture in the center of the wrapper. Apply the flour paste on all sides to secure well. Then bring in the opposite corners together to make this fun shape. Press well so that the mixture doesn't ooze out. Doesn't this look so cute? Make the rest of them the same way. We will deep fry these a few at a time until golden and keep moving them lightly for even frying. The oil is medium hot. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes for each batch to fry. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Look at how beautiful these look and they taste even better. My crab rangoons are ready, so let's see how they have come out. Just wow, even with a very few ingredients. I'm going to try one and tell you how these are. So full of flavor. Yum. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on all the yummy recipes I'll be showing you in the future. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, show some love and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week. Bye.